Hey, you're here! Today, we're making the ultimate cozy comfort food, creamy chicken stew. First things first, grab some chicken thighs or breasts, whatever floats your boat. We've also got mushrooms and onions joining the party. Let's roll. Cut that chicken into bite-sized pieces so they cook faster and soak up more flavor. Sprinkle in some salt and black pepper, give that chicken a mini spa day. Rub it in gently, show it some love. Seasoning is everything, folks. Toss it around to coat every piece like a flavor blanket. Let it marinate for a bit, give those spices time to work the magic. Next up, onion time. No tears allowed, slice up a bunch. Trust me, more is more. A little bit won't cut it. Go big or go home. Now for the mushroom slice, nice and thin. Thinner means creamier bites later. Mushrooms are like the background vocals of this dish, quiet but essential. Bring in the garlic. Without it, something just feels off. Slice it, smash it, release that flavor, like it's got a mission. Boom! Garlic activated. Don't sleep on this stuff. In a stew like this, garlic's the game changer. Veggie prep downtime to bring the heat. Alright, let's get serious. Fire up that stove. Add a little oil to the panel. Need to brown it. Drop in that chicken sizzle. Sounds like success. Flip it. Once it's golden, we want beauty on both sides. Brown it up until it's got that nice crispy edge. Smells amazing already. Once it looks delicious, pull it out and let it chill. Our chicken's like, peace out, be back soon. And don't you dare wash that pan, it's packed with flavor. Use that goodness. Time to saute our aromatics. One word, yum. In goes the chopped onion and garlic clove heat. Slow and steady. Let it get fragrant, then add in the mushrooms. Feeling fancy? Splash in a bit of sake for that extra flair. Add some broth or even water, whatever you've got. It works. Once it starts to bubble, time to bring back the chicken. Here comes the star of the show. Toss it in, and then pour in the cream. Total glow up. Right before we wrap, toss in a pinch of salt. Balance is key. Maybe a final swirl of cream just to make it pretty. We eat with our eyes too. Serve it over rice, noodles, or even with some crusty bread. Endless combos. However you pair it, it's a flavor bomb. This combo, straight up 10 tenths. And just like that, creamy chicken is done. So simple, right? Get yourself in the kitchen and make it happen. If you like what you saw, hit that like, comment and subscribe button. You're the best.